Hi everyone, this is Shravan. I am a front-end developer, designer. I am into usability and also into UI. And today I am going to give a basic example on AngularJS. Quickly, I'm creating a basic application. Let me define an app variable and then define my application with this VT app and Angular module, and then name your application VT app, and this is how we define AngularJS application. And come back to this HDiv and name this app. Whatever the name you're keeping here, it should be the same name. Define it here, ng app, and let's quickly, and to make this work in IE we just need to have this ng app id as ng app, a unique id, and then come back to this. Let me quickly create an controller function and then defining my controllers as avoid duplicate entries. This is how I would like to give it as, and then describe scope, define scope. Okay, and I would like to take movies as a data in my basic JSON. So movies, defining it now. Okay, let me quickly movie name. Let me quickly enter this Superman, and then another one movie name, it is a Spider-Man, and one more entry for our convenience just to have few more records, and then Batman. I don't know what next will come. Let's see. Okay, this is how I just defined this, and I would like to call this as an ng controller over here. Ng controller equal to, just paste this, the function which is just defined, and would like to create some table to make it look better. Okay, table, and then I would like to add, since I have included bootstrap, I would like to add bootstrap classes over here. Table bordered, and I would like to fix the width to make it look better, around something about 20 px, anything you want to have. And then defining t-head, sorry, t-head, tr, this is header I would like to create, and first column, and the next column would be movie name. Okay, let's jump directly into the record, tr, and then a td. Okay, here if you see this, I would like to call the data in by using ng repeat whatever the data you have in this scope movies. So I would like to define this ng repeat, and then it's just like a for loop you do. Okay, movie in movies, just something you can have any name you want to, any defined name you want to have, it's up to you. And then td, closing this. Let me have another row for a movie name, and then just calling my number, index index, and would like to increment that with +1 instead of having it as starting from 0. And then I would like to print the movie name. So movie name, this is how we can have it. Okay, let me clear this extra tier what we have. Okay, let me quickly check the preview. How does it look? Okay, this is how the data is, like the same way what you have here, Superman, Spider-Man and Batman, everything comes here by using the ng repeat. Okay, the next one I would like to do is, and I would like to add one form and input field, form to insert new movie names. So this will help me to bring in the data and insert the data input. So I'd like to add some class for this. Not required, I felt. Then just do type text. Okay, let me name this mg model. I can have my own unique names. I would like to have as a movie name, and then size up to, it's up to you whether how much size. Okay, next coming to placeholder, just to define what to enter, which movie you want to watch. Okay, that is how we can, which movie you want to watch, and then just have some break for button. Okay, and then let me define one button. Submit button, and let me have some class to look it better. Since I'm using Bootstrap, let me append the classes. Okay, and I would like to have the status button value as add movie. So let's quickly see how this form looks. Okay, this looking pretty good, but I missed this tag. Okay, let's quickly see. And then on form submit, ng submit we use, and define the function whichever you want to call once you hit the button. I would like to call it as a add movie, as we are trying to add some new movies into our basic JSON data. And let me go back to the function directly, and let's have some variable to define this sum movie equal to $scope, and then movies, whatever the data you have it here, scope movies, I'm assigning it to a variable. And then let's do scope dot add movie, the function which is defined on form submit, and let's define it. Function add movie equal to function. So if you could actually see here, I would like to assign new movie in a variable called new movie, and let's call whatever the name we have, scope dot, what is it, we have a movie name. Let me quickly copy paste, this is what we need to have it here. Okay, and I would like to define a variable called instead I would like to check whether we have a movies matching with the newly entered movie. So I would like to have something on there, and let's have a quick Angular for each, Angular dot for each, and then let's have scope, and then movies, whatever you have it here, scope movies will come here, and then let's define function which goes into this scope movies, and each movie I would like to have one more new variable within that function. And if you could see, our actual code starts here, and I would like to check whether my newly entered movie is matching with what we have in our records. So each movie dot, what are the variable we are trying to define it here, and then let's call the movie name which we have in our database, like this is nothing but this one. If you are not defining this, then no need to mention this here. Then movie name, okay, I would like to quickly do this, but the problem is here, apart from this, if you actually observe, there is capitalized letters. If you do it this way, since this is uppercase and lowercase is mixed with case sensitive, since this is case sensitive, we should make sure that we have to make this to a lowercase. This is how we do it to lowercase, and let me have the same for thing for my newly entered movie, and then checking whether my old movie is matching with the existing or not. If it is matching, I am defining it as true. Okay, this is how I was trying to have it, and then let's close this function for each. Let's close that for each, and if you go below, sorry for that, and if the old movie is not matching, then only we need to append the data. That is what I would like to explain in this example. Okay, let's do some push the data. Some movie, if you observe here, I was just considering with this scope movie. So push, this is how we push the data within JSON array, and then since we had movie name and then new movie, so till we are here, and if you see this, you won't see any difference though, but I would like to type the new movie as. Okay, let's try to add quickly the movie names. The new movie name I would like to have I Am Man. Okay, it's getting appended. Let me try to add Batman. Oh, it's still getting appended, so somewhere I've done a mistake. Let me check it. Okay, for each, and then it's a movie, it should be a movies. Let me quickly check this again, and I would like to add this empty data. It will not allow because I'm having this if condition like new movie, so it would avoid empty data entries. And then let me try to quickly add this Spider-Man. It is not taking because this is already existing, which I'm actually checking whether it is existing within the existing data or not. The newly entered movie is existing in the data or not. So let me quickly add some more movies. I Am Man. Wow, it's get appended. Let me have in a small letters I Am Man. Let me see whether, no, it will not allow because lowercase I'm doing and then checking it, defining it. Let me try to add one more. Yeah, I'm done. I think so. This is how we do the AngularJS basic stuff. So I hope you have learned something from this basic application? If so, please drop me a message or comments, which would really appreciate. Thank you. Thanks for all your time. Have a good day. Bye.